Hello everyone, my name is Arash and today I am talking about how to change your SSID. I am using Windows 10 and my service provider is Verizon. But before starting, I am talking about some words. The first one is SSID. What is SSID? SSID is the name of your network. And the second one, IP address. IP address is a number to identify a computer or another device on the internet. And what is the router? Router is a device that forwards internet data from one network to another. Now, let's begin. In the search bar, write Control Panel. Click on it. Again, in the search control panel, write search for network and sharing center. This is a network and sharing center. Click on it. In the left panel, click on change adapter setting. If you see, the only internet connection that I have is a Wi-Fi. Is Wi-Fi and its name is Fios NO2ZV. Just let's click on it and again click on details. Then we are looking for IP4 default gateway. It's 192.168.1.1. Remember this number and open the web browser. Now I write the number 192.168. You see it's coming up here, Verizon router. Click on it. Then this page is about the talking about privacy and click on proceed. Now you write a password for your router. You can find it on the corner of your router. RAW54 PAUSE. Okay. Now we go to the Fios dashboard. In the left panel, go to the change wireless setting. In here we see two different kind of the wireless, 2.4 GHz wireless and 5 GHz wireless. 2.4 GHz wireless give you less speed and more range, but 5 GHz give you more speed and less range. Now for change SSID, you can click on this field and you can change it, but I don't want to change it right now. For the password, you can click on the BPA2 button, radio button for 2 gigahertz, for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Click on it. There is a page open for the Verizon, say how to change what is the password regularity. You can change it here for 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. This is my presentation. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please email me. My email address is spirooz@hotmail.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.